Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, the channel where we bring you the latest and most detailed reviews on the hottest cars and SUVs hitting the roads. If you're looking for the perfect blend of style, performance, and everyday practicality, then you're in the right place, because today we're diving deep into the brand new 2025 SEAT Ateca SUV. This is a model that has earned its reputation as one of the most versatile and family-friendly compact SUVs in Europe. And with its 2025 refresh, it's stepping up to a whole new level. From the very first glance, the 2025 SEAT Ateca makes a strong impression. The exterior has been sharpened with modern design cues that give it a bold and athletic look. The signature front grille has been refined with a more sculpted finish, while the LED matrix headlights add not just style, but also top-level visibility and safety during night drives. At the rear, the Ateca carries over the brand's sharp taillight design with dynamic indicators, paired with a sportier bumper that enhances its road presence. With new alloy wheel options ranging from 17 to 19 inches and fresh exterior color choices, the Ateca makes sure you stand out, whether you're in the city or heading off the beaten path. Step inside the 2025 SEAT Ateca, and you'll notice just how much effort the brand has put into creating a comfortable and tech-savvy cabin. The interior feels premium with soft-touch materials, customizable ambient lighting, and a redesigned dashboard layout. At the center sits a new 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen equipped with the latest Seat Connect system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The digital cockpit has also been updated with crisp graphics and a customizable layout that makes driving more intuitive than ever. Passengers will appreciate the spacious cabin, with generous legroom in the back and clever storage solutions throughout. The Ateca also maintains its reputation for practicality with a boot capacity of up to 510 liters, making it one of the most versatile options in its class. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Ateca continues to offer a wide choice of powertrains to suit different driving needs. There are efficient petrol and diesel engines, ranging from a 1.0 TSI 3-cylinder to the more powerful 2.0 TSI, along with mild hybrid technology to boost fuel economy and reduce emissions. SEAT has also introduced a plug-in hybrid version for 2025, combining electric efficiency with petrol power, giving drivers the flexibility of zero-emission city driving with the confidence of longer range when needed. Paired with either a slick-shifting manual gearbox or the advanced DSG automatic, the Ateca is built to deliver smooth and responsive performance. For those who want more capability, the optional 4-drive all-wheel drive system ensures stability and traction in all weather conditions. Safety and driver assistance features have been significantly upgraded as well. The 2025 Ateca now comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and the latest autonomous emergency braking systems as standard. Higher trims offer advanced tech such as blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree parking camera to make urban driving easier and safer. Overall, the 2025 SEAT Ateca is more than just a facelift. It's a carefully refined SUV that blends style, technology, practicality, and efficiency in one well-rounded package. Whether you're a family looking for space, a professional seeking modern tech, or an enthusiast who enjoys dynamic driving, the Ateca delivers on all fronts. That wraps up our review of the 2025 SEAT Ateca SUV. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more reviews of the latest cars and SUVs, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ride Ready Reviews. Your next ride starts here.